Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to discuss tags, how to create them and where to use them. To start, make sure you're inside an account or a location. Navigate to Settings and look for Tags. This is where you'll find all the tags you've created. To create a new tag, look at the upper right corner and click on New Tag. You can type anything you want, let's say New Lead, hit Create, and wait for it to load. Creating tags can also be done inside contacts. If you want to tag a specific contact, go ahead and create a contact. Once the contact is created, look for the Tags option under Actions. You can either select an existing tag or create a new one, for instance, New Contact. If it's not on the list, you'll see a plus sign next to the new tag. Clicking this will create the tag and automatically tag the contact as well. Another way to create a tag is within workflows. Let's say you navigate to a workflow and one of your triggers is related to a tag. For example, a contact tag with filters like Tag Added or Tag Removed. This is where you can create another tag, let's say New Appointment. If it's not on the list, click on Add New Tag, and it will automatically be created. There are various ways to use tags once they're created. One of them is in automations. Here you can add them as a workflow trigger or even as an action. If a new contact is created, for instance, a possible workflow trigger could be Contact Tag. This would be triggered if a tag is added or removed. You can also use tags as an action. Let's say the workflow trigger is Contact Created. For the action, you can type Tag, and you'll see options to add contact tag and remove contact tag. You can select the tag you want to add or remove. Tags are commonly used on contacts. Once they're tagged, it's easier to filter them out and work on those contacts. And that's it. That's how you create and use tags. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more useful videos, check out my GoHighLevel playlist.